now go can't do it.
Solid.
Try to be strong.
Remember Maams call from mother and tell me, stay on the side, keep it strong. I think that your call from the
Here, everybody knows that the you have a
I
come.
want to roast the disciplines. And you are big man.
Funeral.
That's what I said. Don't dig it, don't.
Go easy, man. Go easy, cat.
Fight.
Cat.
Cat.
Go easy, man.
Social media sensation Bawdacat was brought to tears at the grave digging of his beloved common-law wife, Maams, who passed away last month. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk. If it's the first time you're watching, thanks for joining us. Please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos on this platform. Welcome again, and it's a wonderful day to be alive. And if you have life, that is something to be grateful for, because many people, they did not wait to see this morning. And when we look on what is going on in the world right now, life is very unpredictable and you have to be grateful, especially when these two things open to see the dawn of another day. So what we want to talk about today on the program is the passing of the common law wife of social media sensation Bawdacat. She goes by the name Maams. And many of you would have known Maams and you would have seen her making some numerous appearances on the Bawdacat program that is hosted online. Sad to say, Mom passed away in December of 2020, just last month, and it has been a very difficult time for Bawdacat, coping with this loss and the loss of another family member recently as well. Recently, it was the grave digging of Maams, and Bawdacat got very emotional during this process, and he had to be consoled by family and friends during this difficult time. Losing someone, especially that you would have lived and shared residence with for a number of years, is not an easy thing. It's not something that you can easily contend with. It's not something that you will get over in days, not even weeks, sometimes not even months, even years, because this would have been someone that you would have shared that level of intimacy with for many years. And it's very sad to see that Bawdacat is actually going through this difficult moment of his life. But I just want to make him aware that he has his family out there, his friends and his fans. They are all here to support him during this difficult time. And as you know, I would have been a fan of the Bawdacat show on the other platform and now his own personal platform as well. And I've been following him, the progress that he has made over the past few months leading into the years of him being on the platform. And I can tell you, even though this has been a shocking news to many, it just goes to show you how life is valuable. And we need to be grateful for every single moment of life that we have to grace on this earth, because we don't know the moment when something can just happen and you're no longer in this world. Sad to see what happened to Maams, and I can tell you that it's very hard for Bawdacat to cope during this difficult time. But it is one of those things that we really need to reflect on and just look and see that whatever you share with someone, you need to value it. Value it in a sense where you don't know what tomorrow brings. And life is so unpredictable, especially with what is going on around the world, with the whole COVID pandemic that is bearing down on the world as well. We need to put more value on life, and we need to enjoy every single moment of this gift that we have, which is called life. It is as if some people believe they are going to live forever, and we really need to just start thinking about life and considering it as something that is precious. Sad to see what happened to Maams Bawdacat, and you have the support of Links 007 TV platform over here. As always, much respect goes out to you. We have been watching your program for a number of months now leading into the years, and we just want to know that we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to send our sincere condolences to you, your family, your friends, and those people that would have been in close association with Maams. As I said before, it was a grave digging of Maams recently, and Bawdacat broke down in tears, and we're going to share just a short clip of a video from his platform about that moment when Bawdacat broke down in tears. Let's go over to that video right now on Links 007 TV.
Yeah, we want to stay strong too, man.
Yeah, the half they gone, but you still have many more half. We're there, but we can't fit in like man still, you know? We now go can't.
Solid, man.
Try to be strong.
Remember Maams called from man and tell me, stay on the side, keep it strong. I think that your call from the
Here, everybody knows that day you have a come.
when I roast the discipline, and you dig my
Funeral.
That's what I said. Don't dig it, don't.
Go easy, man. Go easy, cat.
Fight,
Cat.
no fight. Relax.
Cat.
Brother.
Easy, man.
Drink some of that.
Hold him. Hold him.
That's the matter. Say, you see him going over the gun like, too long to feel man.
Man, you got to be going little piece. Feel, you know? Remember where your mind set it when you want to, you know?
And if you're on a final one,
Come
second
walk,
one.
come walk, water shop.
Let's go then.
Come walk. Kill some of that excitement, yeah. Rise up. One, milk, one. Yeah. Oh man, good man. You just want to kill some of the vibe where I'm going to go right now, you know?
Yeah.
Can play back a tune here, Sean?
Alright, me not like this still, you know.
Strong up, brother. I'm going to sit down up at that little place a little. Soon we'll overcome this. Happy at me?
Yo, brother.
Maxine.
Hold on.
Forward, brother. Come get a sack now. Come get a sack up here, son. Yeah, just walk out with a feeling there, you know? I just a feeling come over you now, you know? Yeah, just want a feeling.
Yeah, overcome this one.
I just a feeling the pain, you know? You just try to overcome the feeling a little, you know? Yeah. Soon good again, man. Soon good again. Yeah, man, him good, man.
Yeah, make it all look. Remember we there, you know?
We don't go
I
nowhere.
remember I don't joke people around here night, you know, man.
Hey.
Think, brother.
Yeah, say, man.
Yeah, man.
Be a warrior and killer you have around here, you know?
Tell me, say, brother, I'm going to try all the best today.
But I don't know about the man.
Well, there you have it. That was an actual clip of the great digging of Bawdacat common law wife, Maams. And as you see there, Bawdacat became very emotional based on the fact that the reality has set in that Maams is no longer with him. He had to be consoled by his brother and other friends that were in close proximity to where he was during this difficult time. And I can tell you that I know what he's going through. And even though his feeling might be different from mine, most of us would have tried that part of losing a family member sometimes not even a family member, but even a close friend or someone that you would have loved, and they are no longer with us. Now it's very sad to see the state that Bawdacat is in, and it's one of those moments when we look on life and we see how life is so valuable. And I can tell you that no words can console Bawdacat right now. And even though he's going through this difficult time, I just want him to just try to remain focused and try to think positive. And even though it's going to be hard for him to get over this, but the healing process starts now. And it's going to be difficult for him to just be reflecting on the memories that he would have shared over the many years that he would have been with Maams. They would have had so much different experiences throughout their lifetime. And it's very sad to see that he has to be going through this difficult time right now. But I just want him to just know that he has his fans out here, he has his friends. And it's one of those moments that we really need to just think about life, value life, and just put that word on what life is. Instead of us worrying about material things, life is what we really need to be concerned about, because once you have life, you have hope. Much respect goes out to Bawdacat, much respect goes out to the team behind its production as well. So we're gonna leave this one here for now though, but Bawdacat, we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt condolences to you, your family, your friends, and those that would have been in close association with Maams. Much respect goes out to you, the viewers as well. Thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Peace out, much love, and bless.